everyone, welcome back to my channel. So you guys are probably wondering, hey Emma, why didn't you post a video last week? We've been seeing your face every single Friday in 2018, and last Friday there was no video. What's going on? I'm so sorry, you guys. I filmed a full video, a full first impressions video on all of the stuff from the huge Sephora haul that I did. The video just turned out horrible. Like, I hated the look. I hated the quality of the video. Everything kept going wrong. I was not in a good mood. Everything was bad. I looked at the footage and I was like, absolutely not. I cannot put this up. And unfortunately, I didn't give myself enough time to film something different. So I was like, dang it, I just won't post this week. But I'm back this week and I'm going to be posting next week. Of course, next week I will be doing my, what month is it? March. My March favorites. So there's a lot of products that I have been obsessed with, especially since I did that Sephora haul. There's a lot of things, and you'll see in this video I use some of them that I can't stop using. As always, I'm going to start my video with a shout out. This week's shout out goes to my girl Vitamin C Beauty. Really cute name, by the way. This is one of my friends on social media. She is another makeup artist. She's very beautiful, very talented. She also does YouTube, so I'm going to put her @name here so you guys can check her out. Thank you so much for showing me love, girl. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate all of you guys that are always showing me love. It means the world to me, so if you guys want a shout out, just show me love on social media and I'll show you guys love back. Let's get into the video. So I zoomed you guys in real close and personal because today we are focusing on the eyes. As you can see, I already did my brows, my foundation, concealer, and bronzer. Now I'm just baking, which I don't typically bake my under eyes. But since I did my foundation before my eyes, I don't want any fallout. So once I get that fallout, I'll just be able to sweep away the powder and then it won't mess up my beautiful foundation that I have applied. I just did this off camera because I wanted to save some time. I'm going to be using the Soft Glam palette. I'm so excited. It is freaking beautiful. I have been obsessed with it and everyone's been asking to see a tutorial, so that is what we are doing today. So I already primed my eyes using my Shape Tape concealer, so I'm going to start out with this shade Orange Soda. I'm just going to blend this Orange Soda shade all over in the crease area using a Morphe M441. This is just a big fluffy blending brush. Next, I'm going to be using a MAC 217 brush. It's a little bit smaller blending brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Burnt Orange. I'm just going to start blending that a little bit lower in the crease. Going back again with the MAC 217 into Sienna. Just take it on your 217 and go a little bit lower into the outer corner. Going back into the palette using a little bit of a smaller blending brush, the Morphe M507 in this Mulberry shade. I'm just going to pack this on my outer corner. That just made it a little bit more vampy and gave it that extra drama. You could even blend out this vampy shade all over the lid and just stop right there, call it a day, call it a smoky eye, and you're good. But we gotta add glitter. Come on, you guys, we need a little bit of glitter. So I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm actually gonna take this tiny little Morphe lip brush. This is what I've been using to cut my crease. So I'm just going to take a little bit and we are going to do a cut crease, a half cut crease, which if you guys are scared of cut creases, half cut creases are very easy. So just start with that and work your way to the full cut crease. So I'm just going to kind of go in. Now I'm just going to go back in with that same MAC 217 and I'm just going to blend out the edges here. We are going to add a shimmer shade all over where we just cut that crease, and then we're going to go in with glitter. So I'm going to go in with the shade Bronze because it is freaking stunning. Do you guys see this? Do you see that? Sorry, I'm moving too much. Bronze? What the? Why? What? This? Yep. Bronze. I'm going to take the shade Bronze on a MAC 242. I did not bring MAC Fix Plus in here for some reason, but I do have my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So I'm going to spritz just like that. And we are going to go in with a damp MAC 242. And just put that right over where you cut the crease. Do you guys see this? This is amazing. Ah! Okay, it's like, you could keep it at this. This is very cute if you love like a little matte moment, but then it's like, ah! This color is absolutely everything that I want and more. And more. If you guys think you have enough bronze shades, go buy this palette because you don't have enough. I barely touched my eyelid. I'm not, like, this shadow did not come here to play games. I want to do so many looks with this palette. You guys, if you have suggestions on looks you want to see, hit a girl up because I will do them. Back in with this blending brush. Diffuse those edges. You guys know what? I was going to go over this with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner because I'm freaking obsessed with this and I just pop it over any type of cut crease like this and it just makes it pop. But this gold shimmer shade is so stunning on its own. This is all that I need. I love my Urban Decay glitter liner, but like I don't even need you right now. So, okay, do you guys see all that fallout? This is why we bake. I'm gonna apply some House of Lashes Iconic Lashes just real quick. Let me pop these babies on and then we will finish up the face. Okay, you guys, so I applied my lashes. I zoomed you guys out because I'm gonna go in on my face a little bit. First, we gotta finish up the eye look by doing the lower lash line, and I'm going to be doing something that I do not recommend. Don't try this at home if you have sensitive eyes. I don't really have sensitive eyes. I'm putting things all up in my eye. It's fine. This is the Clinique lip liner in Intense Cayenne, and I'm gonna be doing this. So this is a orange lip liner. I do not have an orange eyeliner, so I'm going to use this as eyeliner. It's fine though, but don't do it. Let's go back in. I am using the Morphe M432 brush. I love the Morphe brushes. They are very affordable, very good quality. I've been using them for years. They have held up wonderfully. So I'm going to go in with the shade Sienna. It just reminds me of Havana and I want to be like Sienna, una na. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with a Morphe M431. And then I'm going to go in with Burnt Orange and Orange Soda. We're going to mix the two of these shades. And then we're going to blend because no one likes a harsh lower lash line, which I end up having that a lot when I'm in a hurry and I'm driving to work and I'm looking in the rearview mirror at myself and I'm like, oh, your bottom lash line isn't blended. Blend it. Now I am going to highlight. You guys, I have been obsessed with this highlighter. Obsessed. I can't stop using it since I did that haul video, my last one. And this is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the Killawatt Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal Highlighting Duo. I mixed both of them and I put a bunch of it, like, I mean like a lot. And just like, oh my god. For us pale girls, This is a dream. I've been using this like every day. Dang it, where's my little inner corner highlighting brush? I'm gonna go in with my 242 and pop this right there on that inner corner. Typically I would use a lot smaller brush, but I just don't feel like getting it. Ooh, like what is going on? This is blinding. So I have been obsessed lately with the Tarte Paaaarty blush, and I got this in a Sephora gift. They actually do sell it though at Sephora if you guys want to get it. It is a very beautiful shade. Also, I can't find my Milani Luminoso, so this works. Blend everything together. Take a little on the nose. You know how I like to do that. What am I forgetting? Setting spray. And since it is sitting right in front of me, I'm going to be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I love the mist on this. Oh god. That was a lot. But this stuff is so good. It smells so good too. I love it. I really like this. And then for lips, you guessed it, we're going in with the same lip pencil that we used on the waterline because we like to be all cohesive up in here. And I'm going for that warm look. Oh. Okay, so we're overlining today, apparently. Overline? What? Me? Never, never. I would never do that. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is all natural. What do you mean? I'm gonna go in with Colourpop Rain Ultra Satin Formula, my favorite formula, right over top. Oh, this is a little bit darker. Okay, so the lips are a situation. I overlined a little bit, a lot, and then I added a Fenty gloss bomb on top because I can't stop using it, but hi, I look like a clown. So I'm going to finish off the look by putting on a little bit of Benefit Gimme Brow. And I'm going to put a little bit of bottom lash mascara on because I always do that last. I always do my bottom lash mascara after my setting spray so that my setting spray doesn't mess up the mascara and smudge it all over the place because it tends to do that. So okay, you guys, so that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what videos you would like to see next. Again, I'm so sorry for not posting a video last week. I'm going to try really hard to keep up this Friday schedule, and also I want to start throwing in some bonus videos as well. So just let me know what you want to see, and I will really try hard to make the time to film because I love to do it, and I love you guys so much. Leave me a comment. I love reading comments. Check out my Instagram. I have been posting a lot on there, and I really love this new series I'm doing where I recreate looks by other artists on Instagram, so check it out. Thank you guys again so much. I love you all with all my heart, and I will see you guys next week. So my boyfriend's watching this episode of Supernatural, and he told me specifically, do not interrupt him. Let's see what he does.
Hey, cutie.
Oh, hi.
What are you up to?
You're not mad at me?
No.
I thought you were watching your show.
Hasn't started yet.
It's 8.
Yeah, it starts at 9. You look good.
Thank you.
Nick?
Huh?
That new lipstick?